Hello everyone. Let's dive into the Corsair Vengeance DDR5 RAM, specifically the 32 gigabytes single stick running at 5600 MHz with CL40 timings. This memory module is designed to bring the speed and capacity benefits of DDR5 to your desktop, especially if you're running a newer Intel 700 series motherboard with a 13th or 14th gen processor. One of the key selling points of DDR5 is its ability to handle the demands of modern CPUs with more cores. The Corsair Vengeance DDR5 aims to deliver on this promise by providing faster data access, which translates to quicker processing, rendering, and buffering. This can be a significant advantage for content creators, gamers, and anyone who relies on their PC for demanding tasks. The module features onboard voltage regulation, which allows for easier and more precise overclocking. This is a welcome addition, as it gives users more control over their memory's performance. The Corsair ICUE software plays a crucial role here, enabling users to fine-tune their settings and monitor performance in real time. Speaking of ICUE, the software also allows you to create and save custom Intel XMP 3.0 profiles. This is a handy feature that lets you tailor the memory's performance to specific applications or tasks. For example, you could create a profile for gaming that prioritizes low latency or a profile for video editing that emphasizes bandwidth. The Corsair Vengeance DDR5 has a solid aluminum heat spreader. This not only helps to keep the memory cool, but also ensures compatibility with a wide range of motherboards and CPU coolers. The heat spreader has a sleek, understated design that should fit well in most builds. This particular kit is a single 32 gigabytes module. While some users might prefer a dual-channel kit for optimal performance, a single stick can be a good option if you're looking to upgrade later or if you only have a limited number of DMM slots on your motherboard. The Corsair Vengeance DDR5 offers a compelling package for those looking to upgrade to the latest memory technology. Its high speed, ample capacity, and user-friendly features make it a strong contender in the DDR5 market.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.